We need a thumbnail. Let's do that first.
With a serious face like this, I'm just like.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Dora here, also known as Aaron's Phones, and how y'all doing today? Banged it. All right, so today we got a little bit of different going on. I'm here with my boy Chris.
What's up, guys?
All right.
This is our first time on camera. Don't mind me.
First time on camera? No, he was featured in that one video where he was at this guy play Fortnite with. Remember? Flashback. Shout out to Chris. Big ups, Chris. Cool.
I was like,
Alright, so today, I tried to do this video last time and it failed like hella. We're gonna do a Snack Crate unboxing. What Snack Crate is, it's a monthly box from around the world where you get different countries. I tried to open Canada, I didn't like it. This
Should've brought
is
syrup.
Snack Crate. Let's get right into it.
Let's go. Got the nice. Easy. I found this on the floor one day and I kept it.
Whoa, Korea!
I love Korea.
Bro, it's South Korea, thank God.
I actually have a buddy in South Korea. Shout out to Dio.
Let's go. Okay, Korea, let's see what it says. Korea, South Korea, about...
This is officially the Republic of Korea. South Korea occupies the southern...
I'm not reading all that.
Y'all can Wikipedia that one. It's
right,
probably the same thing. Copy and paste.
Facts. It gives you a list on everything that comes in. We're gonna make it a surprise though.
Yeah, we don't need to know what's in there. We're just gonna try it.
Exactly. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see.
Gotta peel it. There you go. Almost had it perfect.
Whoa!
That's tight.
Okay, so we got that.
These look pretty good.
They look like, what do they look like?
They look like mini croissant balls with chocolate. That's there you go.
Little vlogger thing. Okay. Then we got strawberry. Is there translations? Total fat. Cool. No. Strawberry gummies, I'm assuming they are.
That's what I'm assuming too. They look really good. They probably look like, taste like a Lifesaver probably.
We got those. Ooh,
Lifesaver gummy.
custard cream cake. Ooh, that might be good.
This reminds me of the ones my mom bring home.
Close your eyes. Let me see if that theory works. Oh, there we go.
For real, it worked?
I don't know. I doubt it.
Oh.
I just covered your face. That's eye tracking. All right. Oh, I heard of these. Are these high chews?
Probably a Japanese version.
I think you mean Korean.
Korean.
I think these are. I think these are Korean high chews. Maybe they're really hard, so they might be like jawbreakers.
I almost thought this said hentai, but it says high tie.
I like graham crackers. I don't know.
Probably in the kids' meal.
Yeah. We got choco
We
pie.
need Google Translate.
This is American. This is English.
Choco pie. That sounds like it was on probably My Neighbor Totoro.
It sounds like when I
Or
go.
one of those movies.
It sounds like when I go visit my family in Mexico and they're like choco pie, and I'm like,
Eat one. I'm like, okay, grandma.
okay, abuela. That one. All right, we got. I keep trying to pronounce it. I don't know why. I can't read this.
Are we allowed to use Google Translate?
Okay. Have a good time with butter waffles of Crown. Crown, yeah. Is it alcohol?
I'm assuming it's alcoholic.
Oh, we had choco pie. Now we got choco boy.
Now we just need chunky boy. One chunky boy.
Ooh, ramen. Noodle
We
snack.
can eat it together.
Don't boil it, smash it. What is, okay. And then finally, this.
It says smash it. I'm sorry.
And then choco biscuit.
I punched it.
Gancho, choco biscuit.
Ooh, that looks good.
All right, let's try these first. The Korean cookies.
Let's go for it.
We got our drinks
some soda.
We got some drinks to wash them down in case they're nasty. Ooh, those look low key. They look kind of trash, but you know,
They look okay.
they look fine.
They're like baby muffins.
Ooh, that's a good way of describing it.
Baby muffins with a little bit of something inside. I'm assuming it's the chocolate that they use.
All right, one. Let's go. It's really dry and then immediately chocolatey.
It's the bite, and then air, and then chocolate.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like there's like you can feel that gap between whenever you hit the chocolate.
No, literally, it's like hollow. And then it's like, oh, chocolate.
I want to try one more actually.
All right. Don't stuff yourself.
Last one for the road. The road.
I want to try these custards, cream cakes. Wait, is this one big cream cake? Yeah, that's fine.
We can just break that mug in half.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even have to touch it.
Ooh.
That looks, grab a side.
It looks like egg.
It does look like egg. I think custard is made out of egg though.
I already vacuumed. I'm gonna vacuum again later,
Okay.
but don't worry, it's cool.
All right, let's try it.
I like to keep clean.
It's interesting.
The taste is
The taste is good, but like,
like a vacuum cleaner.
let's rate these.
We'll rate them.
The Korean cookies, those are like a.
I would start that just for a small baby cookie.
Yeah.
I would rate it like a good, for like a quick bite,
Yeah.
like a baby bite, like a 7 out of 10.
7. I'll back a 6, but
Okay.
So these custard,
So if you compare it to the, like, there's the Hispanic ones you get from like the meat market. They're a lot more squishier, a little more moistier. These compared to the Hispanic ones, I think this is like a 6. The
Really?
Hispanic ones are like a 8.
oh, I'd give these like a 4. I was not a big.
It was
fan.
still below the Hispanic ones, the ones that we eat. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right.
I always forget the name of those though.
You're right.
Here, I'm gonna just drop this on the floor because I'm a vacuum anyways.
I bet. It's his house. He can do what he wants.
My house. No.
Cool. Choco Boy. All right, let's see. It's in a package. So,
Double packaging.
all right, let's let me do this on top. Ooh.
Okay, so it's like
Oh.
okay. So it's
grab
like
one.
it looks like a leg of an animal cracker stuck onto a like a Milk Dud chocolate like thing.
Let's taste this real quick.
Yeah, we'll taste it. And then we'll do another focus. I like it.
I like it.
I like
Chocolate's a little weird, but it's Korean chocolate, so can't cap. Alrighty, so the Choco Boys, I would give. They're pretty good, honestly. They have a thick.
I want to try another. I like them.
I like them for sure.
They're good. There's something that I can casually buy at the store and be like, maybe some Fritos, maybe some Bluebell ice cream, Texans with the Bluebell.
Oh, butter waffles of Crown. So no idea what that is, but we're gonna try it.
Butter stick, waffles, drinking Crown, same time.
All right, let's see. Oh, I think they're dulce de leche.
I don't speak Spanish. Obviously, I know I'm the worst Hispanic. There's not really smell to it.
It's just a wafer, honestly.
Yeah, it tastes like yeah, the body of an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
Like from marble slab or something.
Exactly.
You know, when you're done and or like a what's it called, like a drumstick? You finish your drumstick, you eat the shell. That's what that tastes like.
Yeah, basically just a waffle cone.
That's it.
I like it.
With some slight vanilla. Probably taste the vanilla still a little bit.
All right, we're gonna try this.
My
Ooh.
thumbs. I cut my nails yesterday. They hurt.
All right, dink it. There's a horrible aftertaste. This is something my dad would like.
Yeah, it's like an older person cracker. This reminds me of a really dried out version of, you know, the Hispanic cookies that come in the blue tin cans?
Yes.
Except not with all the
The
sugar.
ones that your grandma puts like all the needles in.
Yes, but not without the sugar. That's it. That's what
Yeah,
that tastes like.
it's that one cookie. It's that one cookie that doesn't have the sugar.
The one
and it
that
tastes like a worse version of that.
Yeah, the one that no one wants.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
I'm eating another one.
The ones that get left last, that's it. Alrighty, we're gonna do the choco pie.
I'm gonna drink some Coke to wash it
Yeah,
down.
I need to reset my palate. Oh, it's so soft. I'm not gonna like it. It's so gooey.
Don't worry about it. Was there hair in here? No, look right there too.
Oh my, wait, that's the plastic. Hold on.
No, that thing right here.
Yeah, that's part of the plastic. Wait. We're gonna skip this one.
We just opened it. He's wearing a hat. My head was nowhere near it. Not hear it. Should I just try it anyways? Nah, it's probably not safe right now, huh? Nah.
You can do it. I'm
gonna go for the right side. Here, I'll be the judge. I'll be Eddie's sacrificed person to try it.
These crumbs, bro.
Let me grab a napkin. Wicked time out.
Drop it.
Let's go. Let me open the door.
We'll be right back. All right, we got the Dyson. What you gonna do about it?
We're back with the Dyson.
Later that same evening.
So we got these.
No, I'm kidding. All right, here you go. You just gotta release some anger, you know? Like when you go into the store and you just want to punch the rice bags or slap the meats inside the freaking meat market.
Smell that?
That are covered at least, not
Smell it.
not exposed. It's very strong.
That is so strong.
It's
These look like those Mexican candies.
Yeah, they're like little baby strawberries.
Yeah.
Strawberry in half. I guess the cream part in the back
I'm gonna regret this.
with the gelatin in the front.
All right, let's
All right,
go.
You ready?
This is so hard, chewy.
Like chewy hard. It's not breaking
Did yours split in half?
from the top.
It's not as powerful as I thought.
I'm joking. It was good. Something not crazy. It wasn't as crazy. It smells crazier than the taste. The taste was like quick, but the smell when you smell like, oh. When you taste it, it's like, okay, not bad. All right, now time for.
I feel like those are just gonna be those. All right,
Yeah.
we got two more. We're gonna do the Gancho Choco Biscuit. What the? Okay, how are they gonna package it like that and then whatever?
Just rip that mug.
Not on this. This feel. If you felt it, you'd
Look,
be like.
that's why we got the Dyson. That's why we got the Dyson. We're gonna vacuum in case of anything.
These smell just like the biscuit cookies. So let's try it.
Movie Rex. Mine has a little domino thing on it. I like them,
Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes almost exactly like that.
but thicker because it's more of a cookie style.
Yeah, it's not hollow.
Yeah, this one was way more hollow. That one's way thicker.
But the packaging looks way better on the other ones.
More breading, still being soft. But I still like those Choco Boys.
The Choco Boys were really good. That's probably my favorite so far.
The little mini mushrooms.
We completely forgot about the rating system, but that's fine.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oops.
Oh well. Just go by how good we're saying it and by our reactions. Sponsor me, Coca-Cola. I love kidney stones. Just kidding. No, I don't.
All right, I got the Pushu Pushu by Bulgogi. Those sandwiches you get at your Vietnamese shop, but they're Korean. I don't know. So they're like, it looks like ramen, just a dry ramen. Alrighty, you got your noodles.
We're gonna dump the sauce in there and see how well it tastes dry.
Ooh, smell that.
Smells like beef ramen noodles.
Smells good.
Smells like Frito-Lays. Smells like the Frito Twisties.
A little bit. Yeah. All right, let's try it. Let me grab a little chunk. That's weird.
Let's try it.
It's not bad.
My gums are bleeding.
It's not bad.
Maybe we can probably make that better and add all our own sauces.
Probably.
And stuff. You know, like a Frito pie except a noodle pie.
Alrighty, South
I love
Korea.
this steak quesadilla.
South Korea. I'm gonna give this one a pass. Alright guys, South Korea. Gang. Not bad.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. I could eat everything. In the Canada one, a lot of things I was like repulsed. So this one, I'm gonna give it, if we went from S tier, A tier, B tier, C tier, D tier, F tier,
Z tier.
Z, XYZ, double XY. Wait, VWXYZ Dragon
C3PO.
VWXYZ Dragon Catapult Cannon, the Yu-Gi-Oh card. You have to combine 5 cards to do that.
Oh, tell me
You have to
that.
combine 2. Anyway, I'll put it up on the screen.
Yeah, I know what he's talking about. I just don't remember each card's name. I do have a Yu-Gi-Oh collection. It's pretty good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I'll catch you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Hold on. Put it on the screen. Only about 65% of the people watching these videos
Come on, guys.
are actually subscribed. What is that?
Watch my boy Eddie, he's good.
So please,
Very informative.
subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, let me know what you think.
Please.
And I will catch you guys in the next video, whenever that is.
All right, guys.
Peace.